Why do we have different blood types? Have you ever thought about why humans have different blood types? Whether you're A, B, AB, or O, these small letters hold a crucial key to our survival. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind blood types and why they are more than just a medical curiosity. Blood types are determined by tiny molecules, called antigens, on the surface of red blood cells. These antigens play a critical role in your immune system, helping it distinguish between friend and foe. But where did these variations come from, and why do they matter? Let's start with the basics, the ABO blood group system. If you're type A, your blood cells display A antigens, type B has B antigens, AB has both, and O has none. The result? Your blood type determines which types you can safely accept during a transfusion. The Rh factor is another key player in blood typing. Often called positive or negative, it refers to the presence of another protein. This variation adds another layer of compatibility and explains why exact matches in blood banks are so crucial for saving lives. So, why do we have these differences? Scientists believe blood types evolved as a response to environmental pressures, like diseases. For example, type O is less susceptible to severe malaria, while type A and B may provide resistance to other infections. This genetic diversity may have ensured survival during epidemics in humanity's past. Evolution favored variety because it acted as insurance. If one blood type was vulnerable to a disease, others might still ensure the population survived. Knowing your blood type can be life-saving. Transfusing the wrong type leads to a dangerous immune response, as your body views it as an invader. Beyond transfusions, researchers are exploring links between blood types and risk for conditions like heart disease and even COVID-19. Did you know? Your blood type might also affect your diet or organ compatibility. While the research here is still young, these connections make blood a fascinating frontier for science. Each drop holds more secrets than we ever imagined. Blood types connect biology, history, and health. They are a reminder of how unique yet interconnected we are. Next time you consider your type, reflect on how it came to be, and what it means for you today. If you enjoyed this journey into the science of blood, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the wonders of the natural world. Your curiosity fuels our content.